Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Lane. This is my intro video for AEP 859. So a little bit about myself. I'm currently enrolled in Fort Hays through the Transition to Teaching program. I'm also getting my master's in education at the same time. Outside of school and work, I like to spend a lot of time with my family. I have 3 siblings. I have a niece who's turning 4 next month. And I don't have any kids of my own right now, but I do have a 1.5-year mixed breed puppy. And I consider her to be basically like my child. She and I spend a lot of time together, and she's very important to me. So I actually teach at Wichita North High School, which is where I graduated from in 2013. So it's kind of cool to be back so soon and to be a part of the school. It's really full of tradition. I teach field ecology, which is like an outdoor science class, a biology class, and I teach ESOL science. The newcomers and the transitioning students. There's my senior picture from when I graduated. So some of my longer term goals, well, first of all, I'd like to graduate. I'd like to get my master's degree. I think later I would like to get my master's in my content. Before I went through transition to teaching, I worked as a researcher for the United States Geological Survey. I've spent some of my summers off doing research with whale and dolphin conservation, so something that I'm really passionate about outside of teaching. So I think eventually I'd like to kind of move to the coast and maybe have an opportunity to teach like a marine biology class or a marine mammalogy class to high schoolers as well. So something I'd like to learn from this class, like I mentioned before, I teach 3 classes that nobody else in the building teaches. Nobody else that I know of near me teaches any class that's similar to field ecology. So I actually have kind of some free reign when it comes to curriculum for all 3 of my classes. That's kind of a double-edged sword. So I'm really excited for this class because I want to be able to learn as much about curriculum development and evaluation as possible so that I can be the best teacher that I can and make the best curriculum for my students that's possible. So thanks so much for listening, and I look forward to the rest of the class.